Hello, I'm auditioning for Dog in a Wolf Pack. I'm auditioning for Laika, Mel, Snowy, and young Laika and young Snowy. So here are my lines. Laika. Oh hi, you decided to come back? Are you crazy, Mel? And this is young Laika. Oh hi, you decided to come back? Are you crazy, Mel? And Mel. I'm just his best friend. Oh, come on. And Snow. Can you smell this? Arrow. You should see this. And young Snow. Can you smell this? Arrow. You should see this. I hope I get a part. This is quite quick. If you want me to audition for anyone else, just say. And I don't mind being in any parts that I haven't said, so I hope I have good luck, so bye.